Technology has become an integral part of advancing positive psychology, offering new ways to deliver interventions and enhance well-being through digital tools and apps. These innovations make psychological practices more accessible and can be tailored to individual needs, promoting greater engagement and adherence to well-being practices. Here's an overview of how technology interfaces with positive psychology and some examples of digital tools that promote well-being. Integrating technology with positive psychology. Technology provides several advantages in disseminating and implementing positive psychology interventions. Accessibility. Digital tools can reach a broader audience, including people in remote areas or those unable to access traditional face-to-face therapy or counseling. Customization. Apps and online platforms can often be personalized to the user's specific needs, goals, and preferences, which can enhance the effectiveness of psychological interventions. Consistency and monitoring. Technology enables consistent monitoring of one's well-being and progress through data collection and feedback mechanisms, which can help users and therapists track improvements and identify areas needing additional support. Cost-effectiveness. Many digital well-being tools offer free or low-cost solutions compared to traditional therapy, making them more accessible to a wider range of individuals. Examples of digital tools and apps for well-being. Mood tracking apps. Apps like MoodFit and Dailyo allow users to track their mood and activities. This self-monitoring can help users identify patterns and triggers in their mood, fostering greater self-awareness and pointing to strategies for improvement. Mindfulness and meditation apps. Headspace and Calm provide guided meditation sessions that can help reduce stress and anxiety, improve focus, and promote better sleep. These apps make it easy to integrate mindfulness practices into daily life, even for busy individuals. Positive affirmation apps. Apps like ThinkUp offer features where users can record and listen to their own positive affirmations. This can reinforce positive self-perceptions and goals, crucial for boosting self-esteem and motivation. Virtual reality, VR for well-being. VR platforms can be used to create immersive environments for relaxation and stress reduction. For example, using VR to visit tranquil natural settings can have therapeutic effects, especially for those who may not be able to access such environments in real life. Online positive psychotherapy services, platforms like Talkspace and BetterHelp, offer online counseling and therapy from licensed professionals. This approach can include elements of positive psychology tailored to help users work on personal growth, resilience, and happiness. Well-being video games. Games designed with positive psychology principles, like Super Better, use gamification to increase resilience and mental health. These games encourage users to tackle real-life challenges with a playful mindset, helping to increase motivation and engagement. Technology's role in positive psychology continues to grow, offering exciting opportunities to foster well-being on a global scale. As more digital tools are developed, they have the potential to transform traditional psychological practices, making personal growth and well-being more accessible to everyone.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.